Registering and logging on to Sims Student. Your house tutor should have given you your username and password. Please see on the screen my example. I'm using username A Smith and password as Balfour678. This is what will log you on to the computers and laptops around the school. Your username plus your password. Please make sure that the password has a capital B and the rest is lowercase. Balfour678. Once you've logged onto the computer, you're going to need your email address. Your email address is your username plus at sirgrahambalfour.staffs.sch.uk. You will need this email address for logging on to Sims Student, emails and Office 365 to access resources. Okay, now we've got the basics, I'm going to show you now how to register for Sims Student. Open Internet Explorer. On your desktop, you should have a blue E with a gold band going round it. Simply click on that icon, so Internet Explorer. Once Internet Explorer is open, you need to go to the school website, which is www.sirgrahambalfour.co.uk. Simply put that address into the bar and the school website will load. Once it has loaded, click on the email tab. This is where you need your email address. So remember from the text document, it was your username followed by at sirgrahambalfour.staffs.sch.uk. So just make sure that you get that right. So the username followed by at sirgrahambalfour.staffs.sch.uk. It might be worth writing that down so that you do remember. Once you've put your email address in, click on next. You'll be prompted for your password. So if you put your password in and click sign in. You can go ahead and stay signed in by clicking yes. And this is where your email, this is where you can access all of your school emails. Notice that you would have received an email from noreply@sims.co.uk. This is the email that we need to set up our access for Sims Student. So if you go ahead and click on that email, you'll see then that you've got an accept invitation code in a green box. Go ahead and click that. You're always going to sign in with Office 365. So the bottom one, always sign in with Office 365. So go ahead and click sign in. We've already signed into our email, so it knows we've already signed in. So you're going to get an invitation code. Simply just click on register. You will then be asked for your date of birth. So you need to put your date of birth in. Just make sure it's in the correct format. So if you were born on the 1st of the month, it would be 01/06/2006. So just please bear that in mind. Once you've put your date of birth in, click on verify. Don't close any windows down, just let the system do its thing. Might take a couple of seconds, and then once that's done, you're now registered for Sims Student, so you can access information such as attendance homework and timetable. So if we click on homework, you'll notice that you've got quite a bit of homework set for the week. There is also an app that you can download that we will talk about in a later video.